Passlode is a brand name for a type of nail gun commonly used by carpenters. It's a powerful tool designed to drive nails into wood quickly and with relative ease. Passlode nail guns come in a variety of models, each offering its own set of features and benefits tailored to different applications. Some of the popular models include the Impulse, the Impulse Finish, and the PowerMaster. These tools are designed to save time and effort, while also improving the overall quality of carpentry work. However, it is crucial to use Passlode nail guns safely and responsibly. Before operating one of these tools, it's essential to thoroughly read the owner's manual. This will provide important information about the specific model, its operation, and safety precautions. Safety glasses and gloves should always be worn when operating a nail gun to protect the eyes and hands from potential injury. When considering a nail gun, Passlode is a brand worth considering due to their well-made and durable construction. These tools can help to ensure that carpentry tasks are completed efficiently and effectively.